how to set page notifications you manage on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notification. Okay, you can tap this. In notifications and what notification you receive section, okay, you can see here the page you manage. Okay, you can tap this to edit or set. So for my example, I set the page Tayabas City. Okay, tap the page you want to manage. And okay, you can allow page notification by turn on the switch button on the right side. So if you want to disallow, just turn off the switch button and tap the turn off button on the pop-up. And I decide to turn on this allow page notification. And if this turn on, so you can allow push notification or disallow by switching off or on the switch button on the right side. So for example, I turn off, and also the page insight, you can turn on or off this. And the page interaction, okay, you can see below the option, you can turn on or off this option. And also the group, page and profiles you follow, suggested post, content inspiration, ads and education, order and payments, email about your page, marketing and promotions, helps and guidance, and also you can set the survey and research. You can turn on or off this option. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set page notification you manage on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.